If you are watching this video, highly likely you love your hairstyle and you are looking for a healthy hairspray. So now my question to you is very simple. Do you dare to drink the hairspray you are using right now? Or do you dare to drink any hairspray that you have used in the past? And you need to think about that question. So meanwhile, this is the hairspray I use. And I can drink this hairspray. And it tastes good. So, my name is Adil. I am the founder of Hydrop LLC. We focus on natural, healthy hair products. The product I just used, it's a hairspray and I use it on daily basis. It can hold your hairstyle strongly just like any other hairspray in the market. However, the main difference is it's not gonna cause any harm to your hair or your scalp. In fact, if you use it for a long time, it can improve your hair quality. And I believe that if you check the ingredients of this product, you will be shocked. You will be amazed by how natural it is. So now if you are interested in knowing more about this product and interested in using it, please check our website. It's in the description, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side. Thank you.